Hi friends, welcome you all for Value for Money channel. In today's session, let's understand how to calculate EMI using Excel operations. Let's look at this illustrative example. Mr. X wants to know how much EMI has to pay for his personal loan amount of 5 lakh rupees at an interest rate of 15 percentage per annum for a period of 3 years. So further simplify, so Mr. X wants to take loan of 5, he required 5 lakh rupees loan. So he approaches banks charges 15 percentage per year and the repayment period they fixed 3 years. So how to calculate this EMI, right? So we have there are three inputs are given in this problem. I highlighted these three inputs right in blue color. So I will take these three inputs. The principal amount, the first one is represents the amount what you the principal amount or the loan amount what you're taking. So that is 5 lakh rupees. The annual interest rate they clearly mention it is 15 percentage. The number of years they clearly mention 3. So in order to calculate EMI, so you need to convert yearly data into monthly data. So what you will do? So now monthly interest rate. So convert the yearly interest rate 15% into monthly interest rate. So what you do equal to, so take the cell reference of annual interest rate say 15 percentage star, right? So multiply with, so for divided by 12, you are converting yearly interest rate into monthly interest rate. Similarly, convert number of years into number of months. So what do you do? So take select number of years cell 3 star, convert into 12, that is it's converting 3 years into 36 months. So now, so please observe one thing. Here I have not taken exactly as it is 15 percentage and are not divided by 12. So what I did is I took cell reference instead of directly entering the value. Similarly here, so instead of taking right 3 years, so what I did is I have taken the cell reference 3 into 12. So now what is the advantage here is, so if you change these values, so the respective these cells monthly cells also will change. So now we come back to calculation of EMI. So there is a standard formula to calculate EMI. So equal to PMT, right? Just double click here. It's here. So it will shows clearly rate represents monthly interest rate. Select. So in NPR represents number of periods. You have to choose number of months, right? So PV represents present value. The as on today, how much loan sanctioned by the bank, that is 5 lakh rupees. So select 5 lakh rupees. So as on today, you are receiving 5 lakh rupees from the bank. So comma future value, here there is no role of future value, enter 0. So type means, so whether you are paying EMI at the end of the period or you are paying at the beginning of the period. Let's assume we are paying the EMI at the end of the period. So select 0, close the bracket. So in order to convert negative values into positive values, just multiply with negative sign here, just enter. So the value it's throwing here 17,332.66 rupees EMI the Mr. X has to pay, right? So for the loan amount of 5 lakh rupees for a period of 3 years, right? So at 15 percentage per annum. So what is the one flexibility in this Excel is, if you change, instead of assume that instead of 15 percentage, if the bank provides 12 percentage, so just change from 15% to 12 percentage, so the EMI will change. Say for example, instead of number of years 3 years into 5 years, you just change, right? EMI will change. Similarly, assume that instead of 5 lakh rupees, you want to take 10 lakh rupees loan, right? So automatically the value will change, the EMI monthly EMI will change. So this is all about EMI calculation. So thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe this channel to watch more videos. Thank you very much.